Today we're going to be going over the science of yawning. What is yawning? How does it work? And what does it do for your body? Yawning or oscitation most often occurs in adults immediately before and after sleep, during tedious activities, as well as a result of its contagious quality. It is commonly associated with tiredness, stress, sleepiness, boredom, or even hunger. In humans, yawning is often triggered by the perception that others are yawning. For example, seeing a person yawning or talking to someone on the phone who is yawning. This is a typical example of echopraxia. This contagious yawning has also been observed in chimpanzees, dogs, cats, birds, and reptiles, and can occur between members of different species. During a yawn, muscles around the airway are fully stretched, including chewing and swallowing muscles. Due to these strong repositioning muscle movements, the airway dilates to 3 or 4 times its original size. Yawning is a reflex that we're born with. There is evidence that even a fetus in the womb can yawn. However, children younger than age 6 are not susceptible to contagious or story-induced yawning. Nervousness, which often indicates the perception of an impending need for action, has also been suggested as a cause. Anecdotal evidence suggests that yawning helps increase a person's alertness. Paratroopers have been noted to yawn during the movements before they exit their aircraft, and athletes often yawn just before intense exertions. Yawning is also considered a way for the body to control the brain's temperature. A study done in 2007 suggests that an increase in the brain's temperature can cause a yawn, bringing the operating temperature of the brain down similar to what a fan does for a computer. Because the brain operates optimally within a certain temperature range. When you yawn, blood circulation is heightened, causing blood with a lower temperature to circulate into the brain. All vertebrates can yawn, including mammals, birds, and fish. In animals, yawning can serve as a warning signal. Baboons sometimes yawn to threaten their enemies, displaying large canine teeth. Similarly, guinea pigs yawn in a display of dominance or anger, showing their incisor teeth. This is often accompanied by teeth chattering, purring, and scent marking. Animals subject to predation or other dangers must be ready to physically exert themselves at any given moment. At least one study suggests that yawning, especially psychological contagious yawning, may have developed as a way of keeping a group of animals alert. If an animal is drowsy or bored, it will be less alert than when fully awake and less prepared to spring into action. Contagious yawning could be an instinctual signal between group members to stay alert. If at any point in this video you yawned while watching, leave a like. Thanks for watching.